As the people were in expectation, and all men questioned in their hearts concerning John, whether perhaps he were the Christ, John answered them all, I baptize you with water, but he who is mightier than I is coming, the thong of whose sandals I am not worthy to untie. He will baptize you with the Holy Spirit and with fire. His winnowing fork is in his hand, to clear his threshing floor, and to gather the wheat into his granary, but the chaff he will burn with unquenchable fire. Luke chapter 3, verses 15 through 17. Okay, this video is a follow-up to the previous video where I showed how to disassemble this Honeywell surround heat space heater. And this one is another one that I'm going to show you how to put it back together in case the other one wasn't clear enough. So anyway, we'll start. First of all, these buttons here, the little plate goes right in there, like so. And then I'm going to reinstall the control board, which goes right on top of there. And there are 4 screws. And next, I'm going to install the temperature board here. And now I'm going to install the 4 screws that hold the heating element to the fan base. Okay, so to put this back together, these 2 tabs here have to go underneath the back side of the heater assembly. So actually what I'm going to try here is just bending these things down like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 screws in that hold this. And now I'm going to fold these tabs back in and install the 2 screws that go here. Okay, so now that I have the grid attached to the heater assembly, I'm going to now see if I can attach the back part of the case to that heater assembly. And then there are 2 screws that hold this on. Okay. So now, and also, I have to screw this power board back to the rear case. I already placed the screws in there. There's 3 screws. And then I have to attach this cable from the control board. And now I have to put the back side on, and this piece here should be in the up position. That gives you a little more room to get these lined up. Because those have to go in those holes. Okay, so they're in the holes now, and you can simply press those. So there's two little tabs there that slide up underneath that lip, and there's slots that they go in. Okay, and you pop the sides together. Okay, and now the base, and the only thing tricky about this is you have to get the cord and then there's the two screws that hold that in place. And it looks like they're lined up. Those are the Phillips heads. Okay. And now the feet. And these were those. Used the special Torx bit 15 with the hole in the center. Security bits. And now, the moment of truth. I'll plug it in and see if it's going to work. And indeed, it is working. There is air blowing and heat coming out. So, and more heat coming out in that way.